Alright guys, that's the lab time again. As I promised to you, I'm going to show you how we calculate the network IDs and how we can find the first and last IP addresses that we can use in network on the whiteboard right now. Alright. I'm going to make you an example. We have an IP address and we are going to make our subnet mask 2, and that's our subnet mask. Alright, as you can see that we have our IP address and subnet mask right now, and the question is, what is our network ID and what's the first and last IP addresses that I can use in this network? Alright guys, let's take a look to the how we can accomplish this goal. But first, we need to remind something. Please remember that when we are talking in the slides, I told you that you need to logically end your IP address with your subnet mask to get the network ID. Alright, what is logical AND? As you remember from our slides again, logical AND is a process. Logical AND is just one for the situation that 4 bits are both 1. If we're using both 1 and 1, our logical AND result will be 1. On the other scenarios, we are not going to have 1. We are going to have, oops, I need to write here. We are going to have 0. Alright, let's take a look to my IP address and subnet mask now, and I'm going to logically end them, and I'm going to get my network ID for this IP address while using this subnet mask. Alright, let's take a look to the whiteboard. Last time I'm cleaning it. Alright, cleaning time. Okay guys, is now okay. I'm writing my IP address now. 10, 41, 20, and 25. It was like that, I think. Alright, as you can see that we have 4 portions in our IP address. First, second, third, and fourth portions, as you can see that we have in our IP address. As you can see that our IP address is in decimal format, but actually it's net. Okay, that's for providing easily reading, but actually our IP address will be in binary format. Which means binary format is we just can use 2 numbers. They are 1 and 0 just. Okay. As you know that IP address is 32 bits. We have talked this in our slides. And as you can see that we have 4 portions, which means each portion gonna be 8 bits. Alright? 8-bit means 8 0 or 8 ones. Each field gonna be 8 bits. Okay. Let's calculate the binary format of these numbers right now. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna calculate the binary format of 10, 41, 20, and 25 by using 1 and zeros. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, for simplicity, I'm gonna write the powers of 2, which I'm using calculating the binary format. Alright, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 4, 5, until 7 I'm writing this. Okay, why until 7, my man? Come on. We're writing until 7 because each portion consists of 8 bits. And I'm beginning from 0 and I'm gonna end with this 7, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, as you can see. Alright, let's calculate this. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. That's 4. And I'm writing the, oops, that's going to be 8. 16. All right. I wrote the powers of 2 to calculate the binary value. Okay, let's do a calculation now. As you can remember, what I said is I'm gonna use just 0 and 1, and I need to get these numbers. I need to get 10 first. Let's look at how I can get the 10 from here. I'm gonna use these numbers. Let me clean here. You know how to calculate this anymore. Okay, how I can get 10 using these numbers together? Okay, I'm gonna add them together, add some of them together, and I need to find the 10. Okay, to get 10 from here, I can use 8 and 2. If I add 8 to 2, that's going to be 10, all right? And I'm making 1 to the fields that I used to add. Okay, this is going to be 1, this is going to be 1, and the other portion is going to be 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. All right, as you can see that 8 plus 2 is 10, and this is the binary format of 10. That's so easy, as you can see. Let's go. I'm writing this 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. All right, that's my 10. Let me clean my 10, and I need to get the 41 now. How we can get the 41 from here? It's again so easy. All right, let's choose 32 and 16. Okay, 32 plus 16, this is gonna be 48, which is bigger than our number. All right, which means that I shouldn't use this or this. Okay, how can I get easily to 41 is if I use 32, 8, and 1. What will it be? It's gonna be 41, right? 1 plus 8 plus 32 is 41. Let's write it again. Alright, I'm writing it 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. That's 41. Great. I'm cleaning and I need 20 new. Let's take a look to the 20 now. 20 will be, let's take a look to the, what if I make these portions 1? Let's calculate. 12, 14, 15. Not enough. If I add this one too, the end result will be this time 31, which is bigger than 20. Let's take a look to the, what if I make here 0 and these guys are 1? 16, 4, 1. That means, oh no, this is gonna be 0 too. I thought that we are calculating 21. Okay, 16, 4. What's the result? 20. That's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna use 0 on the other fields. All right, let's take a look to our end result now. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, clean it. And we need 25, and that's gonna be this, not this, this. The less gonna be 0. You can calculate, okay? You can add this together and check if I'm doing right or wrong. All right? I'm saying that that's gonna be 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1. All right, let's clean it. This is my binary format of my IP address. All right, let's take a look to my subnet mask. If you remember, my subnet mask is 255, 255, 255, and 0. And I'm saying that I'm gonna use 24 1 bits in my subnet mask and 8 0 bits. Okay? If you add all these numbers to each other, you are gonna get the 255, which is the highest number that you can use in the binary format. All right. Okay. 255, 255, 255, 0 will be, I'm saying that my subnet mask binary format gonna be like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. And what about the third portion, fourth portion? This is gonna be whole 0, okay? The 0 means we have 8 bits of 0. All right, I'm cleaning you, dude. Okay. This is the action time right now. I'm logically in my IP and subnet mask. And remember that AND will be just 1 when it's for both 1. Okay? If I'm using just 1 and 1, my end result will be the 1. But on the other scenarios, it's not gonna be 1, it's gonna be 0. I can use just 2 numbers in the binary format. They are 1 and 0. All right. I'm ending 0 and 1. The end result will be 0, as I said. 0 and 1, the second bit, it's 0, 2. 0, 0, woo, caution. This is 1 and 1. What's going to be the end result? That's going to be 1. Okay, 1, 0. Pay attention that that's going to be 1, 2. 1 and 0. All right, I got my number. Please pay attention that if I'm ending a number, if I'm using logical AND with 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, with whole 1, 8 bits will be 1, I'm getting the same result with my bits. Okay, I got 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 0, 1, 0. That's the same thing as you can see in that the binary format of 10, which I got in here. Okay, let's take a look to the second portion. That's whole 1 again, and I'm gonna write this portion, but if you don't write it directly, you can calculate. You know how to calculate, okay? The logic behind this is logical AND process just. All right, I'm writing 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. That's the same thing with the 41's binary format. Let's take a look to the third portion. That's going to be the same again because that's whole 1. All right, I'm taking a look and writing it 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 0, 0. All right, let's take a look to the last portion. What's going to be the last portion? The last portion going to be whole 0. Okay, because if we need to check, we don't have any 1. We have whole 0. We just need at least one bit to have 1 from the logical AND process, and because of that, that's going to be whole 0. All right, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0. All right, I got my network ID right now too. This is my network ID. I need to convert this one to the decimal format right now. As you can see that I have 4 portions again. The first portion is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Guys, you can write the powers of 2 and calculate the decimal format of this one again. But please keep in mind that, please check. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Oh my god, they are the same values. Okay? As you can see that, please pay attention. If you are using the 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 with your subnet mask, if you are logically ending your IP address with whole ones, you get the same value. Okay, that's 10. And this one is 41. This one is 20. What about this? What about the last one? The last one gonna be 0. All right. Here is my network ID 10, 41, 20, 0. Cool. I'm cleaning my board now. This is my network ID, okay? But what I need to show you is the first IP address that I can use in this network, the last IP address that I can use, and the broadcast address. All right, my subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay. All right. And we have a formula for this. The formula is 2 to the power n decremented by 2. That gives us the total IP address space that I can use in this network for this subnet mask. Okay, so what is n stands for? N is the total 0 bits in my subnet mask. So, in my subnet mask, I have totally 8 0 bits, right? Please keep in mind that IP address and subnet mask are 32 bits and they are in 4 portions and each portion has 8 bits. So, I'm totally have 8 zeros for this scenario. So, 2 to the power 8 and 254 is the end result. That means I can use 254 IP addresses in this network ID with this subnet mask. Pretty cool. So, what's the first IP address? The first IP address is I'm incrementing the IP network ID by 1. Okay, that's the first IP address that we can use. 20.1. That's the first IP address that we can use. If I can use totally 254, my last IP address will be 20.254, right? I'm starting with 1, finishing with 254, and that's going to be totally 254 IP addresses. All right, pretty cool. The last thing I'm going to talk about is the broadcast IP. Broadcast address is, to find the broadcast IP address, I'm incrementing the last IP address 1. Okay, that means my broadcast will be 20.255. If I want to use a broadcast, if I want to send a packet to everybody in my network, in this network ID, I should use this IP address. That's the broadcast. This one is last one. This is the first IP address that I'm using for.